Let me start. Guys, welcome to another edition of Trading Psychology. I'm your host with the mostest. I'm Kofi Ejiman. I'm a Platinum 5,000 leader, soon to be Chairman 10. I'm excited for you to be on this call today. This is about giving you value. What I need you guys to do, especially if you're new, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Do it right now. Call to action. Pammy's just going to drop in my Instagram handle. It's at Kofi_Texel. At Kofi_Texel. If you get value from this call, if you learn something from this call, take a screenshot, tag me in it, share with the world. Okay. Also, follow me on Facebook as Kofi Ejiman. Yep. Follow me on Facebook and follow my YouTube page. It's going to be dropped in the group chat very, very soon. Yep. Thank you. So Pammy's all done it at Kofi_Texel. Facebook, Kofi Ejiman. Follow me right now. Take action. Everyone, take action. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. YouTube is Games05. Comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, I'm here. I'm excited. I'm honored to serve. If you are happy, to be alive, put number 7. If you're just happy to be breathing, put number 7. If you're happy to be, listen, you need to be happy because you are alive. You are alive. You are alive. You need to be grateful. You are alive. Write this down before you even get started. Write this down. If you start with gratitude every single day, you will end up being grateful. Who understands that? If you start with gratitude every single day, you will end up being grateful. If you start with gratitude every single day, you will end up being grateful. So what does that mean? It simply means, look, show gratitude for the small things. Because some people didn't wake up today. Some people didn't even get a chance to breathe again. Some people have gone. You have another chance to crush the markets. You have another chance to build the business. You have another chance to allow your last name to become your legacy. Who understands that? Put number 5, number of grace. You have another chance to allow your last name to become a legacy. And guys, talent and tricks who are new today, this is how I am. I come with fire. I come with passion because I'm here to serve every single one of you. I'm here to serve every single person. And I'm also here to learn from you. I'm here to serve. I'm here to learn. What did Roy say? You know, Roy's always got bars. What did Roy say? If you think your life is bad, try missing one day. I don't know where Roy gets these bars from. Did you hear that? If you think your life is bad, try missing one day. That has gone over the head of some people, but if you get it, you get it. Get back into your group chats, guys. Guys, people started late. You guys getting worse. Like 10, 20, man. We start. People jumping on 62 people on the call. Let's go. Jeez. On a Tuesday morning. Oh, it's going up. The numbers are going up. 63 people. Let's go. All right, guys. I want to give value. I want to give value today. And today's topic is called confirmation checklist. But before I drop that, I want every single person to know. Oh, guys, who loves Courtney? Who thinks Courtney is funny? Courtney says, have to be honest, that went over my head. Who loves Courtney right now? Courtney is so funny. We love you, Coco. She's like, yeah, that went over my head. Okay, Roy, can you break down to Courtney what that meant, please? I can break it down, but I want you to break it down. Oh, Jackie. Oh, okay, Courtney's good, you know, because Courtney's real, and Courtney has now opened the floodgates for every single person to ask the question. Okay, so look, if Roy breaks it down, then let me find Roy and I'll mute you. Then maybe I can also break it down if Roy doesn't want to do it. I'm muting you, Roy. Why is it not working? Pammy, can you also try and unmute him? It's not working for me. Oh. Hey, Roy. You there, Roy? 1 second. Oh, he put in the chat box. Let me mute. Yeah. Guys, who saw that? If you miss one day, it means you're dead. If you miss one day, you're dead. Does that make sense, Jackie? Okay, so Jackie, okay, this joke, I need to move on. This joke. So Katie says, if you're not alive to experience your life for what one day, i.e. missing one day, you'd realize what you've got. It simply means if you try missing a day out of your life, you are no longer living. You are finished. You are dead. You are in the grave. Oh! Courtney's like, I got it. Jackie's like, I got it. All right, cool. Love, 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 love. Okay, guys, what's happening this Saturday between 3 and 7? Gailey Q also said, don't forget coma. You could also be in a coma. What's happening between 3 and 7 this Saturday, the 10th of April? I need to make sure everybody knows. Okay, if you don't know, you're getting to know. Look in the group chats, guys. Team event. Team Excel is having an event. Okay, for those that don't know, you're going to get to know today, all right? And also, please, this is for everyone. I want to be clear. Team Excel is one word. Oh my gosh, Pammy dropped the same thing. Oh my gosh, Pammy, as I just said it, Pammy dropped the same thing. Team Excel is one word. Everyone in Team Excel, it's one word. Do not break it down. Do not try. Hey, these people there, it's not Team and Excel, it's one word. But Pammy, can you see how much you know me? Because before I even said it out of my mouth, Pammy said Team Excel is one word. Don't get Kofi started. To all of you people. But also, listen, Pammy, it might be because when you book one-on-ones with me, it says Team Excel broken down, but that needs to be fixed. So everyone in the group chat, write Team Excel so I can see that you know. I want you to write, okay, Team Excel, that's it. The T, capital T, capital E. Capital T, capital E. Come on, let's get this. Thank you, Maribel. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you, Ben. Let's go. If I see anyone, there's 65 of us on the call. If I see you, the way I'm coming for your inbox, Team Excel, one word, capital T, capital E. I will come for you and you'll get my mouth. Oh, I'm gonna do it for Bants. Courtney, I love you, man. Gaelic is running. Let's go. All right, let's break this down. So we have our Team Excel mega event that incorporates all the other teams. So we've got Partnering in Prosperity, Trade Creatives, we've got Wisdom Traders, we've got Money Tree, we've got FTA, we've got MMA. There's so many groups, so many Exodus. This Team Excel is big. It's big. So we're coming together to put an event on for the team. Now listen carefully. This is for you. I need you guys to be clear. This is for you. I want it to be packed out between 3 and 7, working hard to get all these people. Some of the people we're getting are so high caliber, they're taking time to get back to us. We have practically got everyone there, apart from 2 educators, okay? But they're getting locked down this week, so I haven't produced the flyer yet. But just know, this coming Saturday, yes? The 10th of it, okay, I need someone to write this down. 10th of April, 3 till 7, Team Excel major event. We have got top chairman, like we've got Matt Rosa, we've got Jason Brown doing Bitcoin. We've got top people, guys. We got Chance Gonham. We got Chance Gonham. Like, guys, and I want people to know about Chance Gonham. He teaches harmonics pitchfork. It's super dope fresh. I need you, as soon as the fly is going to be done, the fly is going to be done as soon as possible. I'm waiting for 2 educators to confirm. 2 more educators to confirm. But guys, we've got the lineup. It's going to be super dope fresh. My team are excited. The leaders are excited. And this is for you. So don't be, oh, I'm busy on Saturday. We're sacrificing our time for you. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of rescheduling and jigging around for you to get value. This is our major Team Excel event. Okay, so I want to make sure everybody knows the fly is going to be dropped either tomorrow or Thursday at the latest. But you know from now, 3 till 7 on Saturday, Team Excel major event. And there's going to be so much value. So much value is going to be dropped. I'm going to be testing you guys next Tuesday to see what value from the educators that you got. It's going to be recorded. No, I'm not even going to say about recording because you guys are trying to be lazy. I want it packed out. Guys, have you got value from me before? If you got value from my calls, put number 5. And if so, honor me like you honored Jessica Walker, like you've honored Connor, like you've honored A-Team, and please show out. This is for you. We've gone hard above and beyond. Yeah, 3 till 7. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pack this out. 3 till 7. I don't want to say that. Now one told me. There's 67 of you. If everyone told one person, we'll get this packed out. If everyone told 2 people, we'll get this packed out. The flyer is coming. In the group chat, write the word, the flyer is coming. The flyer is coming. To get some of these educators hasn't been easy. Yeah, all right, cool. Cool, guys, thank you. So I just wanted to be clear that everyone knows that this Saturday, the 10th of April, 3 till 7, UK time. Yeah, so Ben, make sure anyone that's American, I'm saying to my brother, make sure you give them the American time as well. UK time, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. UK time. I'm going to be your host. I'm going to be speaking as well, just dropping a few nuggets before I introduce the best people. You know, we've got a lot of people. Guys, I'm excited. Right, let's get on with some teaching. This is called confirmation checklist. Put a number 2 in the group chat. If you understand trading without a confirmation checklist is like suicide. Wow, I'm seeing people like twos. Yep. Now, I love to be interactive on these calls these days. I want to know, I want you guys to show me some of your confirmation checklists in a group chat. Just put one word or one, I want everyone to have a go. Just put one confirmation checklist that you personally have. Don't give me a whole list. Just give me, okay, Manji, stop. So guys, write this down. Stochastic, good. Jackie says trend, write this down. Luke says strength meter. Courtney says 1 to 2. Samit says EMA. Jeez, I love, oh, this is coming thick and fast. Let me go through them quickly and slowly. Quickly and slowly, juxtaposition. Right, let's go. Pitchfork, Ben says pitchfork. Away from EMAs, trend. Engulfing, love that. Baseline, ooh, Jackie, man, I know that one. I don't know what baseline is. Jackie, I'm gonna get you to explain what a baseline is. Lydia, Forex Factory, I love this. Time frame match. Okay, love that. Range. What does that mean? Is that, are you talking about the average daily range, ADR? So Denise, I'm coming to you, and Jackie, I'm going to come to you. No red news for that currency. Not having a conflict. Yeah. R to R, EMA, arrow on cash trap. Cool. RSI, quarter theory. Okay, Ben, I'm going to come to you for quarter theory. Guys, I want everyone to get value. TDI. Guys, you guys are doing this on purpose now. You're all dropping names I don't even know. So I come to you. TDI. That's Courtney. Courtney, I'm coming to you. ATR. Defo. Okay, I know it. Impulsive candle. Okay. L50. Oh, Jack, wait. Jessica's doing it on purpose. She knows I don't know this. I'm gonna ask you questions. Break and retest. Yeah, thank you, Victoria. TDR. All right, cool. I'm gonna unmute your mics. So, Pammy, get ready. We're gonna ask. Let me write these names down because I want everyone to get value of some of their confirmation checklists. Guys, one thing I'll say to you: I'm not the be all and end all. I'm still a student, and I'm always a student. Guys, in the group chat, please write the word "always a student." I need everyone to have that culture of always being a student. No matter how big I get, I'm always a student, and I'm willing to learn from the educators that are coming forth from Team Excel. I'm willing to learn from the educators that are coming forth from AFA Academy. I'm willing to learn. So let's go. So, Pammy, if you can write down Denise, Jessica Walker, Jackie, Courtney, my brother Ben, to explain. Yes. All right, cool. Let's go. Good. Right. Let me go to. Who's the first person? Let's go to Jackie. Jackie, I'm gonna unmute you. I want you to. Pammy, can you try and unmute people? Okay. Hello?
Hi.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Welcome to the Kofi Show. No, I'm joking. People get a bit nervous sometimes when they're asked to speak, but thank you for, taking your time out to come and be on Trading Psychology. So Jackie, tell me about yourself quickly. Tell the team about yourself and tell me what you mean by what you had said. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm Jackie and I'm part of the team, SASI's team. And when I say baseline, what I mean is, like the 50 EMA on DeLorean. Yeah, so when you're entering a trade, you don't want it to be far away. I use something similar. Mm-hmm. Which is, I use the weighted MA set at 13. Yeah, so WMA. I use it set at 13.
Let me write this down. I'm learning. Guys, who's getting value from this? Who's never heard this before? Who's never heard of baseline?
Yeah, so I use the weighted moving average set at 13, and I will not enter a trade if the price action is beyond one average trading range, so ATR.
One average trading range. Break down the ATR. And Ben, yes, my brother, I'm going to ask you next.
ATR is, again, it's similar to DeLorean's ADR. It's the average true range, and I set it at 14 days or 14 candles. And it basically tells you how the average number of pips a candle moves.
Wow. So the average number of pips a candle moves.
Yeah, in whatever time frame you're at. So ATR in 1 minute measures the average movement of price in the past 14 minutes.
Wow. Guys, who just learned something? Just put number 3 in the group chat if you just learned something about WMA, weighted moving average. ATR, average true range. This is what this calls about value. Jackie, I thank you so much, because now our level of thinking and consciousness has been enlightened. What does that mean? We've been expanded. You could be trading all day, every day and not know anything. But in 1 second, I've learned WMA. I'll be like, what's that? Now I understand another word for baseline, average true range, and it measures the pip movement in a time frame. I'm assuming, right?
But, yeah, and also to add to the weight, to the WTA, if you're buying, you have to buy when the price is above the W moving average. Okay. And if you're selling, the price has to be below it.
Okay, so if you're buying, it has to be above the WMA, and if you're selling, it has to be below it. Love that. Thank you so much, Jackie. We love you. We celebrate you.
No problem.
And by the way, Jackie got 1,000 pips in a week, so she knows what she's talking about. Give her some grace and favor. Let's go. 1,000 pips. Top trader. Jeez. Okay, next person to speak to my brother Ben. I'm gonna spotlight your video because I know you put your camera on, everyone can see you. This is my brother. Let's go. If you could unmute Ben, please, Pammy.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, can everyone hear me? Let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know.
I can hear you, bro. Let's go.
Cool, cool. Guys, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Listen, so one day, right, I was listening to Ralph Dankwa and he showed us the quarter theory level. And I tried to do it in the training call because I saw it, I was like, wow, this is a game changer. And what quarter theory level simply means is that it's basically mathematical support and resistance. Guys, it's so powerful, right? Honestly, guys, I encourage each and every one of you, when you get off the call, go into the indicator, type in quarter theory level. And what you'll see is it's basically where the big players get to a certain level and the price either reverses as a support and resistance, or it breaks and retests and then goes in the direction you need it to go. Guys, honestly, if you get the quarter theory level out, it's basically calculated every 50 pips. And it's, guys, honestly, I'm just like, wow. Like every time I see it, I'm like, wow, this really works. And this is what the big players use. They go for it. So it's basically whole numbers. So, for example, 1.90000 to 1.90050. Does that make sense?
Wow.
But honestly, guys, I definitely advise you to get the quarter theory out and get the quarter theory level out and just see it for yourself. So that's one of the indicators. I did a harmonic pitchfork. So my confirmation checklist requires three confirmations. So the EMA, the harmonic pitchfork, and the quarter theory. Guys, if you get three of them in one, it's an 8, 9 times out of 10 a good trade. So yeah.
Guys, can we celebrate one of the leaders for MMA?
Let's go! Let's go!
he's also got Chance Gonham to really explain the harmonic pitchfork.
Yes.
Detail. That's why you need to be on this call Saturday between 3 and 7. Let's go. Who got value from that quarter theory? I bet people are now going to be thinking, what is quarter theory? Now you're going to be thinking, okay, what's going on? What's quarter theory? This is the thing. We're going to learn to study. You know, we're going to make sure we're growing, you know. Who got value from that? I'm seeing the value, quarter theory. Again, listen, write this in the group chat, guys. You are either growing or you're dying. Point blank, period. I don't care what type of knowledge you think you have. You're either growing or you're dying. Every single day, I decide I'm going to grow today. I'm going to learn today. That's why I'm humble enough to bring people onto trading psychology to teach me stuff. I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning. You're either growing or you're dying. Yes or yes. Every cell is being duplicated, is growing. And if you get to that point where you're like, I know what I'm doing. Listen, do you know the market changes? Do you know certain strategies that worked 20 years ago are not working right now? Who understands? Who understands that certain strategies that worked 20 years ago are not working right now? Do you know the big market movers? They say, you know what worked 5 years ago is not working today. And some of the top traders, what I hear them say all the time is they're always learning. They're always learning. They're always learning. If a top trader who's made millions in the market are always learning, don't you ever get so trigger happy that you're like, you know what? I have my strategy. You see me? Kofi Edgeman, I have my strategy. I have my strategy. I know how to trade my strategy, but I'm always learning. Jackie says, you have to adjust your strategy, even if it's just changing settings in an indicator. Again, says, we're in a currency market. Currency. It's a current. It's moving. Always moves and changes. Love that. So sometimes your W patterns may not be working. Your M patterns may not be working because the banks are clocking it. Oh, they're getting on the M's and W's. Sometimes your flag may not be working. Sometimes the break and retest may not be working. But who's getting value? Who's getting value right now? Because you have to understand, okay, if this is not working over a period of time, why don't I look at the ADR? Is that going to help me with my strategy? Why don't I look at the WMA, weighted moving average? Why don't I adjust the baseline? Can all these things add? Like for my strategy, guys, you know, I use DeLorean. I have the DeLorean for added confirmation. So I still use my strategy. I still I know when to break and retest. I have my zones. But guess what? I add in bullish engulfings. I have smart money concepts of like how far the trade might go. I might even have supply and demand zones. I look at the DeLorean as added confirmation. The Patrick Kenny push. Who understands when it comes back to the yellow line? So I'm not going to take a trade based on all of that. I have my set of confirmations. But for added, write this word, for added confluence, for added security, in the group chat, write added confluence, added security. I utilize all the knowledgeable things that I know. Sometimes, listen to this, yeah, this is powerful. Who thinks Pammy's a bit of a brain box? In the group chat, put a number 2 if you think Pammy's a bit of a brain box. If you know Pammy, right? Number 2, right? Sometimes I'm like, Pammy, my trade went in the opposite direction. She'll be like, Kofi, have you checked? I'll be like, oh my gosh. She'll be like, Kofi, have you checked? Did you look for the area of liquidity? Pammy is a brain box. So sometimes I will be complaining, I don't understand why my trade lost. All the confirmations met up. But then she'll say to me, have you looked at this? And I've learned so much from Pammy herself. She's covering her eyes because she doesn't like to be exposed, but she is so knowledgeable in the market, it's ridiculous. All right. Is there, yeah, we'll come to thingy in a minute, yeah? Luke, we'll come to HFX soon. All right, so let's look at, who else? Oh, Denise. Let's go to Denise, please. If Pam, if you can unmute Denise. For Denise, oh, she's at work. Denise is on the call at work. All right. Denise, just write in the group chat your explanation. Okay, Luke's at work. All right, cool. Just write in the group chat if you can, or have you been unmuted? Let me. Denise has been unmuted. Denise, are you speaking? Or did Pammy, did you do it? Let me mute you back. Oh, okay. She's at work. Yeah, she's at work. Let me just mute her back. Okay, cool. Let's go. Who else was there, please? Jessica. Let's go to Jessica. Trade Creatives. Let's go. Jeez. Let me spotlight her video and drop some nuggets there.
Hi.
Let's go. Let's go, TC.
So I just mentioned the Liquid 50, which is something that Tyrone actually taught quite intensely on the Sunday session. But if you've been, studying your TDI, then you'll pretty much understand what that means. Also known as a true shift. So you can apply that to your harmonics trades. So let's say we've identified a setup and we're waiting to catch that bit of momentum. You can also go on to TradingView and see if we're going to be having a true shift. So an MA cross as well as a Liquid 50 RSI cross, because then that tells you that we're going to see quite a bit of momentum. So you can then take the true shift and or take a Patrick push if it's then going to come back and retrace to the 50, sorry, the yellow, otherwise known as a 786 entry.
Okay, Jessica, do me a favor. Can you actually share your screen quickly and find something whereby just a quick,
Sure. Let's go to, okay, hang on.
I know you can multitask.
Okay, just let me know when I can share my screen.
Is it able? Is able? I've just done share screen. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. To try it. If not, I'll just physically go to your name and make closed. All right, let me just do that.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one here. Obviously, we're seeing a cross. This is just the first thing that has come up on my trading view. But if you see here, we've got a cross on the RSI and the liquid 50. So this 50 here, this is our like absolute endpoint if we're thinking about exit strategy. But you can also use it as an entrance because it's showing us that there's going to be quite a big momentum shift. So crossing of the RSI and crossing of the EMAs, the red and the yellow, is known as a true shift. So that is then one form of entry that you can take. Had you just seen an M or a W? So you've got to remember those things. But you can also use it when we're looking at the harmonic scanner. So let's pretend that this is a harmonic pattern, right? This would be our D point. And then we've seen a cross happening here and we've had a cross down here. Pretty good indication that you can take the trade. I want to see if there's one. What did I take? USD CAD? Was it NZD USD? That was a harmonics trade. I don't know. I can't remember. But again, let's just say, for example, we've had an EMA cross up here. We've also had a cross in the RSI here, the liquid 50 cross. So that would also be called a true shift. Yes, we're trading into the support at the moment in these particular examples. But for the harmonic scanner, there should be some space to at least take the trade or take it. If you think about these EMAs, these are also more likely where take profit 1 and take profit 2 are going to be, because they kind of tend to hang around the 618 and the 382.
Wow, guys,
wasn't too fast.
Guys, you know what it is? I love that, and it had to be that fast because we've got other people to speak to. But not only that, it makes us have a hunger to learn, because no trading strategy can you learn in 15 minutes or 3 minutes with someone giving a call or speaking. And it should cause us to want to know more. Yes or yes, guys? It should cause us to be like, you know what? I just got value from learning about the liquid 50 and the MA cross. Now it should be like, okay, I want to know more. And this is why don't ever get too big for your boots, because I didn't know about the L50. I didn't know about the baseline. I didn't know about the WMA, yet I'm still a consistent, profitable trader. And guess what needs to happen? You need to have all the type of education, because you get paid more if you're an educator. Yes or yes? If you can break something down, you get paid more. So guys, who got value from that? Let me see in the group chat what everyone's saying. You guys should have got value from all the speakers so far. Confluence always added value. Yes. Loving this so much. Loving the fib stuff too. Yeah. It's in the favorites. Go over to Go Live. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jessica Walker, thank you so much. Jessica Walker, let me just also ask you, have you got your lunch club today? What time is it? 12. 1. Guys, Jessica Walker has got her lunch club today at 1 p.m. It should be in the schedule. If it's not, Jessica, drop your link in this group chat so people can see. Get plugged in. 1 p.m. today, lunch club. All right, cool. Who was next? Was it Courtney? Did Courtney drop a bar? Let me see. Was it Courtney? I mean, let me know if you got to. Right. Yep. So she's at work. Oh, okay. Just covered it. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. So that's practical. I think that's it. Yes. So yes. Let me go through the group chat. And I can say Fibonacci. Wait. Oh, Ben says HPF. Oh no, Ben's already spoken. Guys, who got value from that? Who learned something in a short space of time? Because I swear down, a lot of you don't even know what L50 was unless you was on the call. I know a lot of you don't know what pitchfork is, you know. So don't try it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I want to learn TDI. Did anyone cover TDI? TDI. What is who was the person that said TDI? Oh, just did. Oh, I heard Liquid 50. Oh, I need to rewatch it then. That was kind of tedious. All right, cool. It's a part of it. I'm going to rewatch this video. I said it, but just covered it. All right, good. All right, cool. Guys, oh, Liquid 50 is part of TDI. Amazing. See, Jackie, you have so much knowledge, yeah? But you don't ever want to speak. I'm going to make Jackie do a team training. Jackie's one of them hidden gems. No, not me. Yeah, yes, you. I'm going to make you train people. She's like, shush. All right, cool. Let's put that together. I said the word confirmation checklist. Confirmation checklist. You see, one thing Jessica Walker was demonstrating, this needs to meet with this and this before you can take the trade. Who actually got that nugget? This, and also Jackie said it as well, this needs to meet with this before you can take the trade. My brother said 3 confirmations. If this and this and this meets together, then you can take the trade. Now, let's be real before I come to Luke and help the HFX crew. Let's be real. Who's taken a trade and you need 3 confirmations and you've only taken it on 1? Let's be vulnerable here and let me see what's happened. Put a number 1 in the group chat. If you've taken a trade and okay, she's well disciplined. Okay, thank you, talent. You've taken a trade, you're meant to wait for 3 confirmations, but you only took it on 1. Aman, okay, been there, done that. Bex, Vanessa, no Victoria, I'm asking for 1. Viv, yes, sir. Okay, now please tell me the outcome. How many of you won the trade on just 1 confirmation? Just put me. If you won the trade on 1 confirmation, Aman lost. Manjeet, me, 1. Okay, both. Being too jumpy. All right, let me be clear. This is dangerous. Write in the group chat, this is dangerous. Thank you. Again, said the word I'm gonna say. That's gambling. Let me tell you why. It's because if you have a set of rules, listen carefully. If you have a set of rules and you only use 1 of the confirmations and you win, guess what happens? In your subconscious, you're now lied to, and you're like, well, I can do that again. Who's ever thought that? Because what happens is, this is a game of probabilities, yes or yes. Trading is a game of probabilities. So you can either make a mistake and still win. You can even press buy and you're meant to press sell and still go into profit. This is the law of probabilities. Trading is a numbers game. Trading is a numbers game. So the reason why I say this dangerous is because you can have 2 trades and you're like, well, I took 1 confirmation and I hit TP. Next time, oh, I had 1 confirmation and I hit TP. But the problem will happen is that the law of probabilities and the law of averages will fight you and you'll begin to lose. You can have a winning streak, but the losing streak will be around the corner. Uncle K, I'm trying to give you advice before it happens. I'm trying to be in your ear before when you do it, you're like, oh, but Kofi said this. And then your results will be speaking. It is dangerous. Let me talk to you. If it requires 3 confirmations, listen to this. If it requires 3 confirmations in the group chat, write down how many confirmations do you need to take the trade? Oh, okay. Oh, we understand. Hey, 3. Point blank period. If your strategy requires 3 confirmations, you need to take 3. Otherwise, don't enter the trade. Don't take the trade. Don't come with your nonsense. Don't take the trade. You need to have 3 confirmations if your strategy determines 3. So for example, my strategy, which is price trap, and I've evolved it. Break of structure, closed outside the zone. Retest of structure. So 1, 2. I need a bullish engulfing, a bearish engulfing, morning star or an evening star. 3, it needs to be close to the 50 EMA. Okay. It needs to be closely below or above the 50 EMA. Who's understanding Kofi's checklist? 4. Let me. I'll show you a trade I took yesterday. That one, right? Let me share my screen, and let me talk to you about what needed to happen for it to work. Okay, so that was Euro CAD, I believe. Okay, guys, look at this, right? Put number 1 if you can see my screen. All right, cool. This is what happens when you're a trader and you follow your rules. Now, guys, please hear my heart. I've been disciplining myself. I've been learning to follow my rules because I've lost not following my rules. All right. So if I stayed in this trade, it would have been a 1 to no more than that. My stop loss was just. All right. Let's look at my trade as an example. And guys, when I say this to all of you guys, I'm saying it to myself as well. Please, no. All right. So I've got 4 confirmation checklists. Let's talk about what happened on this trade. And so you can understand why Mr. Ajiman, Mr. Uncle K took this trade. All right. And I want us to go through this. Anyway, everyone has different trading strategies, but just look at what I did for an example. All right, let's have a look. I even have my let me see if I can find my checklist actually, so I can actually write it on the screen so you guys can see that. Let's go to let's go. Come on, see. Guys, who's getting value from this session? Okay, let's have a look. Right, guys, can you see that? Can you see the writing? All right, cool. Let's look at my confirmation checklist. So I've got high probability trade setups. That means it doesn't always work. Doesn't always work, but it's high probability. So did it close outside the zone? Let's have a look at my, let's go. I'll go back in time. Guys, upgrade, you know, upgrade, yeah, on TradingView. Okay, let's have a look. Higher probability trade setups. Did it close outside the zone? Guys, what is that? Is that a closure? Let me see. Yes. Okay, so tick 1 for Kofi Ajiman, Uncle K, Mr. Tick PTP. Right. Did it retest the zone? Has this retested the zone yet? Has this retested the zone? No. Okay, so I can't take the trade yet. No trade, no entry. Let's go. Okay, so it's retested now. See that candle's gone back? But I'm waiting for it to be a bullish engulfing near the 50 EMA. So look, there's a bullish engulfing. near the 50 EMA. So I could have essentially got in here. I didn't. And I'm lucky I didn't, because I would have lost my trade. But it really has broken the structure, really had a deep retest. Let's have a look. Okay, so we can now see it's broken structure, closed outside the zone, a deep retest, clear candlestick pattern closely above or below the 50 EMA. Is there a candlestick pattern closely above or below the 50 EMA? Now the 50 EMA is this red line here. Who can see that? Yes. Okay. Let's keep it moving. If we look, see, my confirmation checklist is not too deep, but they all have to match up. Let's have a look. Take the trade. That's it. There's no other option. Take the trade. Did it close outside the zone? Yes. Did it retest the zone? Yes. Clear candlestick pattern. So for me, it's a bullish engulfing. The bullish candle is bigger than the other previous candles. Bullish engulfing, take the trade. Is it by the 50 EMA? Yes, take the trade. I can't dilly-dally. I can't think about it. I can't be like, maybe, because my rules stipulate, the confirmation checklist tells me take the trade. Then it says trade like a robot. I have to get my emotions out of it and trade like a robot. And let's see what happens. Not every trade wins. Not every trade wins. This is my target, 1 to 3. That's a 1 to 6. Wow. I took 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 is here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happened. And again, not every trade wins. But look what I also have. Look, I've got DeLorean. Look at this, guys. I've got DeLorean EMAs. Now look at this. It may not be a perfect DeLorean setup, but it shows me if I'm in the right direction. 50 EMA, red, the yellow is just above here. So to me, it's a good setup. Why? Because I can see my target, potential target, is up here where this blue line is. So I don't utilize DeLorean EMAs, but I use it just to make sure, am I going in the right direction? You know, so my target was here. So I'm now comfortable that it could potentially hit this blue level here, but I took it at 1 to 3. Who understands? All right, DeLorean EMA is turned off, but I utilize it. And this is why I don't ever rubbish any other strategy. You know, don't rubbish any other. And look, I also have a MACD, and MACD just shows me when it crosses over and it breaks through the 0 line that there's going to be a shift in momentum. Let's see what happens. All right, with this trade setup, I want it to go to 1 to 3. Again, it doesn't always win. This is why it's called a higher probability. Did it hit my target? Yeah, cool. What's my purpose of this call? My purpose was I needed a confirmation checklist. I needed this confluence and that confluence and that confluence and that confluence to match up before I could enter a trade. I want to encourage every single person that's new, talent and tricks, who are new to this call. Anyone else that's new, have a confirmation checklist. Have a set of rules and guidelines that protect you in the market. As a trader, it's not how much money you can make, it's how much money you're willing to lose. You don't want to lose X amount of your account. So I trade at 1% risk. Why? Because I listen to Jessica Walker. But I'm willing to gain 3%. Why? Because I listen to Smart Money Concepts, Anthony Paris. I'm learning from each person in this academy. I'm learning from so many people. I'm learning from Pammy. I'm learning from the educators. I'm learning from Tyrone and the Patrick Push from PK. I'm learning from Anthony Paris. I learned from Christopher Derrick. I'm learning from Rock Kumar and Smart Money Concepts and Trade House. I'm learning. But you have your own set of confirmations. Have a confirmation checklist. For those people that are using the HFX, write down in the group chat your confirmation checklist. Write them all down. If you're doing HFX, write down in the group chat your confirmation checklist and put them in order. Go. I'll give you a minute. Just blitz them out. Blitz them out. Your confirmation checklist for HFX. The 5 points of Hourglass. Okay, cool. DeLorean Hyperdrive, same steps. All right, cool. So you can use Hyperdrive and the steps of DeLorean to utilize binary, which is HFX. The actual name is binary options, all right? Anyone else? So give me the 5 points of Gaelic. What's the 5 points of Hourglass? I believe it's stochastic, or is it RSI? So write them down so we can look at them. I hope Luke's still on the call. Yeah. All right. So currency strength meter. So you want to determine the currency strength, okay? The two indicators. So what are they? So support and resistance. So some of them use the Bollinger Bands. Some of them just use support and resistance. Like just draw out zones. Okay, stochastic, RSI, arrows. Wow, that's arrows, stochastic, RSI, currency strength meter. This is for the ones that use Hourglass. Stock 1 and stock 2. Okay, cool. So we say RSI, stochastic, currency strength, arrows, I said, yeah. Yeah, I think I've gone over it. Bottom line, listen to this. Volume bars, listen to this. If it doesn't meet your criteria, don't take the trade. In the group chat, right? We're gonna end now. In the group chat, write in bold letters, confirmation checklist. I want it to be bold. Capital letters, confirmation checklist. If it doesn't meet, don't take the trade. If it doesn't meet, if the RSI or the stochastic or the arrow or, if it doesn't meet, don't take the trade, because what happens is you take the trade, you lose the trade, then you complain about the trade. Who am I preaching to? Who am I talking to? You take the trade, you lose the trade, and then you complain trading doesn't work. I'm talking to myself. I'm preaching to the choir. I'm talking to myself because I have not matched all my confirmations. I've taken the trade, I've lost the trade, and then I've complained about the trade. This needs to be bold. Confirmation checklist. Only take the trade when every criteria is met. Guys, I thank you so much. I haven't got Instagram live today. Got to look after my family. But we'll be back next week. Might even change the time to in the evening, my Instagram lives. But guys, who got value? Before that, get a trading journal. Amy, sorry, if you can just drop the trading journal link, please. Thank you. She dropped it, amafinance.com. Get yourself a trading journal. Who got value? Let me see who got value. Talon got value. Guys, hit me up on IG. Take screenshots. Add me to your friends list. Kofi_Texel, Facebook. Hit me up, guys. I want to share this. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much. I'm glad you guys got value. This is the most important call throughout your whole week because it gets your mind right. Guys, let's remember this Saturday, 3 till 7. Yes, post to my stories. Amy just corrected me. This Saturday, 3 till 7 is our major Team Excel event. Team Excel event. This Saturday, 3 till 7. Oh, okay, yeah. I'll send it to you again. 3 till 7, major Team Excel event, and it's for you. It's for you. In the group chat, right? It's for me. If you got value from this call, you're going to get extreme value from the nuggets from the chairman and the nuggets of the educators. Guys, I love you. Spread the word. The flyer will be done very, very soon. Very, very soon. Either today or tomorrow, we'll get the flyer out. But I wanted it to be word of mouth. This company grew by word of mouth. So guys, tell your people that Team Excel's major event is on Saturday between 3 and 7. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I love you. Love you. I just speak beautiful blessings over you. I speak grace and abundance over you. You're going to have a fantastic week. Jump on Jessica Walker session at 1 p.m. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.